Hello, now I'm just leaving from the Saket court, so I was thinking about to make video. I'm at the parking zone, you can see, and I am here to go to my bike and then I will go to my room. Yes, I am just coming out from the account center, and if I show you parking area, you can see the park, and I am just going towards the gate number 2 for exit. So it's all about till now. So bye. See you later. Hello guys, this is the another day of English speaking. Now I was going towards the Akshardham temple, and you can see besides me there is a Akshardham temple, and I was going through this. You can see the road. I am at the roadside. I was going through this road to the Simapuri side for a client meeting, and there is my senior waiting for me at the house of my client. So I am just on the way, you can see, and I am thinking to make video and start this video from the Akshardham. You can see this is behind me. Are you able to see the Akshardham temple, or are you watching at my screen like a foggy screen? I am about to show you with the rear camera. Okay, so now you can see this is the Buddha, and now you can see the temple. This is the temple, and I am at the outside. So I woke up around that. If I talk about today, I woke up around at 8 a.m. in the morning, and then I see the group of my seniors, as senior was asking to join the meeting at 10:05 a.m. in the morning. So I just make haste for getting ready, and about 5 or 10 minutes before the meeting started, I you know left from my house and just click a selfie and send to this man group, because I am a corporate lawyer. So this is kind of this is the kind of formalities I have to show to our management, so that they can get to know what I am doing and what I will about to do today. So I started my day at 10 a.m. because I left at 10 a.m. and there was a meeting with my senior, and senior was asking me to visit more and more to the clients, so that they can convert into payment, because our client is defaulter, because they take loans from the banks and they didn't pay. Somehow they transfer the vehicle with third person with the agreement, not the transfer of vehicle or transfer the ownership. They hand over the vehicle with the third person with the help of agreement. Agreement doesn't take enforceability by law. This is why we filed 138 against them, but still they can get 1 or 2 or 3 months time between the dates of courts. So in the duration of the dates, I have to approach my clients so that they can convert into payment, and we have to pressurize our client. What I am saying, this is the inside of our work. I should not share with you this kind of what I am doing and what I am not doing, but yes, you can see I am on the road. So this is how I am just, I know most of the guys are not watching my videos, but somehow I am getting views on YouTube, and because there is a sunlight opposite side, and you can see the clarity, because of I am just, sun is in front of me. This is why you can see me clearly, and if I make video like this, you will feel the shade of my shade on my mouth. So if I shoot like this, you will see my face clearly and background clearly. So what I was saying this is how I am just improving my English. Okay, and this is all about till now. So let's see you soon. But yes, there is one thing I want to share with you. You know, I am making video regularly on YouTube and uploading regularly on YouTube. But somehow, consistency doesn't work. I think consistency doesn't work if you are not doing smart work. I was thinking like if I would be fluent at the day of 100, because I have taken the challenge of 100 day of English speaking, and let's see how much I will grow in English speaking. And this is why I am uploading video regularly on YouTube, because this helped me to remind, yes, I have to practice of English speaking today, and this is the task. This task is completed or not. This reminds me. Challenge helped me a lot to complete my daily task. So I was thinking like no one is watching my video, no one is subscribing my videos, no one is going to like my video, and literally you can see my all videos. No one is going to like and subscribe my channel, but somehow even I am uploading my video regularly without thinking and without hoping about getting views or subscriber. But from few days I am getting 2 or 3 views consistently on my each video, and I am feeling so motivated. Literally I am this is my inner voice. I am really really happy because 3 or 4 views I am getting on my each video last few days. This is why I am just thinking, yes, I can grow on YouTube if I am consistent. So this is all about till now, and this is all about I wanted to share with you till now. So I will see you later. Okay, I am just going to the senior first, who is waiting me at the customer house. Then I will definitely going to continue the journey of today, because this is my challenge to complete. What is my challenge? My challenge is to practice myself at least 10 to 15 minutes daily of English speaking, so that I can push my mind to think in English. And you can see I am making this video, and even people are you can see around me there is a road, and most of the vehicle are running on the road, and some this is the path, and some pedestrian are walking over there. But still I am not thinking about them. I am thinking about my video, and I am focusing on my screen. I am not even looking at them, because if I see them and they will see in my eyes, I will feel so shy, and I will feel embarrassing. This is why I am avoiding watching people and looking at people. So this is all about till now, and this is the last view I can share with you with my rear camera of Akshardham temple. I am not going to Akshardham temple till right now, because my senior is waiting for me and I am making this video. But 10 to 15 minutes it's okay to wait. Okay, so now, and you can see this is the a kind of, I can say in Hindi, murti, and in English I can say idol. This is the idol of Buddha, and you can see the temple premises. This is the temple premises. And now this is all about now. I am just about to go. So bye, see you later. And I hope my senior would not watch this video. If my senior would watch this video, they will definitely going to fire me. So bye bye. See you. Hello guys. Now I am so happy, and I didn't happy this much. When I get and when I hit 150k subscriber on YouTube on my main channel, I didn't happy this much. You know what? Why I am happy now? Because I just see there is 2 or 3 subscriber I gained on this channel. Yes, this channel. I have gained 2 3 subscribers, and this hits me a lot. And I'm so happy. Thank you so much for subscribing this channel. And I make content for myself for being consistent. I already shared with you, and I am not uploading any video on my main channel from last 2 months. You know what I'm thinking about that channel, and definitely I will lose my reach, because it's so much time. This is why audience will think like he'll not going to upload at anymore on this channel, and YouTube algorithm things like this is why it will I will lose my reach on main channel. But what I'm thinking I am taking my time. Okay, I'm taking my time on this channel to sharp myself. I was making videos, and I am making, I can say this would be correct sentence for that channel, and I am making videos for that channel in my native language like Hindi, you know and I am sharpening myself on this channel in English, and I want to surprise people like making video in English only on that channel. And because that was my that was not this is the correct sentence I just created. This that is my professional channel. This is why I am practicing on this channel. I don't upload any casual video on my that channel. This is why I am sharpening myself and sharpening my skill on this channel. And I will definitely going to surprise each and every subscriber of mine on that channel. And I am a lawyer by profession. This is why that channel is related to the earning and career. Okay, earning and career. I'm just revealing. If you are watching me and know me through that channel, let me know in the comment box. But I'm not kind of known person. I am known at my genre because I'm a lawyer. So if you are a student, law student, or an advocate, I can you know get to know like you will know me or not. I don't know, but yes, some people know me by that channel. If you are a lawyer or a law student, okay. And I have created this channel. I already shared with you for my English only, and in future I am just thinking like I already shared with you. I will definitely going to continue these kinds of blog on this channel in English only, and definitely I am going to create videos in English on my main channel. Okay, on that channel, and I will definitely going to share with you my main channel, but not now. I don't want to, because I am making each kind of video. I don't think about even I am lying on the court, even I am covering or not covering. I show you each and everything raw and real without any edit in my video. Okay, you are just listening my this is my real voice, not edited. This is me. This is not the kind of filter or something. I am making this video at the night time. It is, if I talk about the time, it's 11:33 p.m. right now, and I'm just making video. I was thinking to play a video game, so I decided to play a video game. I was just going to play the video game, and then I see there was a notification of subscriber, and YouTube sent me a notification. In that notification, I see, and I can say I show, and Congratulations, you have gained a new subscriber. And I was like, oh, if I talk about my subscriber count till now on this channel is 16. And this is huge for me. This is not, this would be, not huge for you, but it is really huge for me because, I am gaining my subscriber raw and real, and I am making videos raw and real. I don't want to fake anything on this channel. Okay. If you like my content, then you can subscribe it. And I am consistent, so you can learn from me. I am not saying you can learn English from me now because I am also a learning phase. But yes, there is one thing I definitely say to you. You can learn from me the consistency for your goal, to achieve your goal, to achieve what you want to do, to achieve what are you doing. You know, what are you doing this kind of shit, and for what you are, investing your time. I am investing my time for making this kinds of video, for gaining my fluency. I just want to communicate with people in English. I want to argue in the court, before the court I can say in English only. I want to defend my client before the judge in English only. you know there was a call, so bye, good night.